Understanding, Captain the Team, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the phrase, captain the team. This is a common expression in English, often used in sports and leadership contexts. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how to use it in your conversations. Let's get started. Captain the team is an idiomatic expression, primarily used in the context of sports. To captain the team means to lead or be in charge of a team. The word captain here is used as a verb. It implies not just leading the team but also taking responsibility for the team's performance, strategy, and morale. The term originates from the traditional role of a captain in sports teams. Historically, the captain has been the figurehead, often the most experienced or skilled member, responsible for strategy, decision-making, and leading by example. This concept has transcended sports and is now used metaphorically in various other fields, like business or group activities, to indicate a leadership role. Let's see how captain the team is used in sentences. 1. After the previous captain retired, Mia was chosen to captain the team. 2. John has been captaining the team through a tough season, showing great leadership. 3. Who will captain the team in the upcoming tournament? These examples show the phrase in action, helping you grasp its practical application. A common mistake is confusing captain with just being a team member. Remember, to captain the team means to lead it. Also, avoid using it in contexts where leadership or responsibility isn't involved. That's it for our exploration of captain the team. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of this expression and how you can use it in your own English conversations. Remember, language learning is all about practice, so try using this phrase in your sentences. See you in our next video, and keep learning.